Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to today's video. How you all doing? I hope you're having an awesome day wherever you are. If today is your first time visiting my channel, hello, welcome. My name is shebokusiyo. Thank you for being here. I do appreciate you all. If you like what you see, please consider subscribing. And if you've been with me from day one or yesterday, hi, hello, I appreciate you all. Alright everybody, in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and share with you what I bought from Morphe at a time when they had 50% off. Your girl over here, she went crazy, she went ahead and picked up a few items because you know what, I love sale. I don't know, do you guys love things on special? Because I know I do, and every time I have my eyes on something and it's on full price, I always keep an eye on that product. The minute it goes on sale, I'm like, yeah, you are mine, I got you. So today's video, I'm going to be sharing, you see what I picked from Morphe when they had their 50% off. By the way, I purchased these goodies a while ago. They just took forever to get here. I can understand because of the whole lockdown, so delivery time, and it has been stretched to another level, so we are receiving our goodies a little bit later than usual, but it's understandable. All right, you guys, and also keep in mind that some of these goodies, the sale may have ended and they may have been back to their full price, so keep that in mind. All right, let's go ahead and start unboxing this huge box. Now look how the packaging came, you guys. Look at that. We have this humongous box right here, and of course bubble wrap. I like the protection here. Let's go ahead, and the goodies inside. Now I'm going to begin with first taking them out of the box, of course, so that you know they are put somewhere here down. You guys, it's getting so hot nowadays. We are going in summer over here. German summer, yes, it does get hot. Alright, so the box can go and chill somewhere down, and I have the products here. So let's start with the first eyeshadow palette, you guys. Hello, hi, hello, hi. We have, of course, James Charles palette in the house, which is everybody, their mama, their papa already have, and you know what, it's okay. You know, late is better than never, right? Anyway, I have my hands on this one here, and I have been meaning to get this one. So last time I checked Morphe, they had a sale on this one, 50% off. I was like, what? I'm getting you. So I went ahead and got the palette, and you know what, I do like the packaging of this. I think it feels quite lovely. I'm not sure if my camera can focus, but look at that. Yeah, that is gorgeous. The packaging in general, you know, and it's huge, humongous palette. Look how the shades looks like in there. We have all those shades. That's how they look like. I cannot wait to play with this palette actually, like create looks using it. Yeah, by the way, we have no mirror at all here. No mirror. It's just yeah, Morphe eyeshadows. No mirror. All right, so this one is Unleash Your Inner Artist. All right, so that is the first product, an eyeshadow palette. And moving on, let me just pop this one down here. Moving on, we also have another eyeshadow that I really wanted to get, and yeah, this one actually I almost got it on full price, but then I waited, you know, the day afterwards, like let me check the site again, maybe they, you know, they have it on special. And you know what, yes, we have it on special this time, and it is Morphe X Money, you guys. I'm looking forward to this palette here. I'll quickly show you the packaging. The box itself looks quite lovely, isn't it? Look at that, the finish there. And of course there is money. For those of you who don't know, I think everybody knows who this person is, of course. So the palette is pretty much exactly, you know, the packaging and the, well, not really exactly, but that's how it looks like. So the palette, you guys, this one does have a mirror, which I'm like, oh yeah, and taking that out. You guys, look at the shades in this palette. Look at the shades, and those stunning. Look at those colors. We have highlighters too, and the shades are just screaming my name. I am so looking forward to be playing with this palette here. You guys know how much I love, you know, testing new goodies, so this would definitely be one of those that I will be testing and find out how good this palette is. But yeah, that is that. We have Mani's palette, which is quite awesome. And moving on to, of course, our setting sprays. Now I went crazy on setting sprays, you guys. I 50% off. You're gonna put everything in your cart if you can. Anyway, so the first one I got is, of course, the mattifying continuous setting spray, setting mist, which is this one here. That's how it looks like. And where should we open it? From this side or this side? All right. So, and this one is, by the way, I have already used it already because I couldn't wait. Anyway, so it looks like this. That's the packaging. This product comes in. You can see right there. And yeah, I like the scent. Is not too bad as well. So that is the first setting spray that we have. And then we have, of course, the original one, I believe, this one here that comes in the black packaging. So this one here that everybody in the beauty community has, of course, which is this one. Again, I have used it already and I do like it actually. I can understand now why, you know, why everybody is, you know, raving about this product, because it's just amazing so far. I love it. All right, so that is that. We also have this one here, you guys. The smell of this one here is just, it's just beautiful. It's just so smells absolutely yummy. It is, of course, this one here. You can see there. Yeah, this one smells absolutely delicious. I'm trying to find the flavor. Sweet peach, that's what it says. So that's the packaging right there. And you know what, I'm going to go ahead and actually apply some of this, you know, spray, because it's quite hot and I just want something to, you know, to refresh my face. So, and it does have this kind of mist, you know, look at that. It's not too strong, which is perfect. Oh my god, the smell of this is just like a summer fruity flavor going on, but on your face. I really love the smell of this. Every time I finish doing my makeup and I spray this all over, you know, I close my door and the minute I enter back inside my studio, the whole entire room just smells this, like this. And you know what, I'm loving. I think out of all of these setting spray, this is the number one that I love in terms of scent, followed by this one, of course. So yeah, there we go. All right, those were the setting you know, sprays. Now let's move on to something more like a brow product, because I went ahead and bought another one because I actually like this type of, you know, brow that they have, the product. Now this one is their micro brow pencil in the shade Mocha. This time I got it in the shade Mocha, which comes in this packaging right here. I believe last time I had like a deeper shade. And can we please open? Thank you very much. Are we going to come out from there, or are we just like refusing? Here we go. So it looks like this. It is a double, you know, double-ended pencil. The other side we get a spoolie, which is this one here, and the other side is a product. This one I haven't even tried it, so I'm not even sure about the color, whether it's going to be like, you know, the one that I usually go for, but it looks like this. If we come closer, that's the color in Mocha. And let's go ahead and, you know, just give it a swatch somewhere here. We're gonna show, so you have to do it a couple times to be able to see the color. Okay, but it's this color right here in mocha. So I wonder if that is too light for my brows. I'm not sure. I have to try it. But the one that I had before is was in the shade, it's a deeper one, I believe. Hold on, what shade is this one here? Chocolate mousse, which is this one here. It's finished actually. Let me see if I can get a tiny bit there. Oh, that's finished. It's almost like it's gone. It's gone. It has left the building. But I'll see how much I can get from there and swatch them side by side. Oh yeah, oh, you can see the difference there. The darker one, that's the chocolate one, of course, that I purchased first time trying this product. And that one, I liked the color and I thought it was too dark, so I went ahead and purchased the bottom one, which is the mocha. But now comparing them side by side, I think that this other one may be a little bit too lighter for my brows, because I always I'm not sure about that one. You know what, we'll try it next time. Or should I try a little bit now? Actually, let me see. You won't be able to see because I already have one there, but I think, yeah, I'll try it next time, do like a proper review. But I do love these pencils, this micro, what are they called again, micro brow pencil. They they make your brows look so beautiful. You can get this perfect precise brow shape using these ones here, and it's just amazing. That's why I went ahead and bought another one. So anyway, that is that. And we have over here a concealer, you guys, a Morphe concealer, which comes in this packaging right here. I have never tried their concealers, so this is the first time, of course, I'm trying this concealer, and I wasn't even sure about the shade selection. Yeah, I went ahead and got the one in C4.35, and this one there, of course, they're soft matte concealers, and that's the shade that I got right there. And that's how the product itself looks like. It comes in this. I haven't even used it yet, so I'm going to go ahead and swatch it somewhere. Oh, is that too light? No, I think that will do. Look at the color. I think that's not too bad. I can get away with that. Yeah, I think it's okay. Alright, so that's another product that I should test in the future. And yeah, so those are the goodies that I bought when they had a 50% off. But on top of that, you guys, I have already showed you the other product that I bought. Those were also 50% off, but it's just that I bought them first, and then after I found out that they had another 50% off, I bought the one that I've showed you. But this one here that you guys already saw in my unboxing video before, I did pick up the bake and set setting powder in banana, I believe in banana, which is this one here. It was also on sale, you guys. Yeah, banana rich, by the way. So that is that, and I'll quickly show you in case you haven't seen my last unboxing. But that's how it looks like. I know I have already shown these ones, but I just want to let you know that they were part of the 50% off as well. That's how it looks like. The shade banana, rich, banana rich, yes. And swatched, of course, looks like that. And then you guys remember the Jeffree Star Artistry palette, which was this one here. Again, it was also on sale. Still loving this one to this day, and look at that. Yeah, still loving this palette so much. Again, it was on sale as well. And I think that was everything. Oh, the setting spray as well, the Jeffree Star one. It was part of the whole entire 50% off as well on my first order. So yeah, awesome sale, you guys. This one here, the setting spray, which is of course the Morphe X Jeffree Star. So yeah, those are the goodies that I picked, you guys, and I believe now I have 4 setting sprays from Morphe. Crazy me, which are these ones here. But you know what, when you do makeup all the times, I think we need them. We just do need them, and I love how they they set my makeup, so that is awesome. All right, everybody, that was everything that I bought when Morphe had their 50% off, and I tell you what, I think it was worth buying the goodies, because imagine if you buy each of these products full price, it's going to be, you know. So I love sale. I just love buying things when they're on sale, of course. And this is what I usually do. I'll tell you my kind of, I don't know if it's a secret, not really a secret, you know, I'm pretty sure everybody does this, but I signed up to, of course, Morphe, so I do get their emails. I receive their emails, you know, and every time, and they're really good at it. Every time they have a sale going on, I receive an email. So what I do is I always check the products and then see if I need something. And if it's on, you know, on full price, I always keep it aside and just keep it. And the minute I get an email, they have a sale going on, I go there, check what kind of sale they have, and see if my product that I have saved to buy it when, you know, the sale comes, if it is on sale, then I go ahead and buy it. So I find that's really, really good, and that's how I got, you know, the emails for this, you know, to say that they were on sale, and I went ahead and bought them. So that is that. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of me just sharing with you guys the goodies that I bought. And if you have enjoyed it, smash that like button and subscribe if you are not yet done so already, and ring your bell so you're notified every time I upload a new exciting video. All right, everybody, I appreciate you all. Go have a good one. Lots of love, and there will be more tutorials and makeup looks and eyeshadow swatches, brow tutorial using some of these goodies in here. So, you know, consider review. They'll all come later, so look out for those, and definitely ring your bell so you're notified, you know. All right, go have a good one. Lots of love, you guys. Thanks so much for being here, and yeah, love you all. I shall catch you on my next video. Bye for now.